In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail your tax return from TurboTax through USPS. If you prefer paper filing or you're required to mail your return, the process is straightforward. We'll walk through three things: printing your completed forms from TurboTax, gathering the documents you need to include, and mailing the package through the U.S. Postal Service to the correct IRS address. I'll also share a few tips so everything arrives correctly and on time. First, print your completed forms from TurboTax. In the File section of the software, choose the option to mail your return and follow the prompts to generate the full set of forms. Print everything the software indicates, including all schedules and attachments. Use clean, single-sided prints on standard letter paper so the pages scan clearly at the IRS. Before you assemble anything, sign and date the return where required. If it's a joint return, both spouses must sign. Review the pages to make sure your Social Security numbers and totals are legible and correct. If TurboTax provides filing instructions, read them carefully. They'll tell you exactly what to include and how to organize the packet. Next, gather the necessary documents. Attach any Forms W-2 and certain 1099s that show income tax withheld, following the instructions that say where to place them, typically at the front of your return. Include every schedule and form that TurboTax printed for your situation, and only mail what the instructions ask for. Don't send original identification documents or receipts unless specifically requested. If you owe tax and are paying by check or money order, include the payment voucher generated by TurboTax and write the tax year and your Social Security number on the check. If you're due a refund and set up direct deposit in TurboTax, that information is already on the form. You don't need to include a voided check. Finally, mail your return via USPS to the correct IRS address. The exact address depends on your state and whether a payment is enclosed. You'll find the correct address in the TurboTax filing instructions or on the IRS website. Use a large envelope so pages lie flat, include a return address, and consider USPS certified mail or another trackable service so you have proof of timely mailing. The IRS uses the postmark date to determine if you filed on time, so mail early enough to meet the deadline. Keep a complete copy of everything you send for your records. That's it. Print from TurboTax, gather the required documents, and mail the package through USPS to the right IRS address. Follow these steps and you'll be set for a smooth paper filing.